To fix this issue, first open Play Store. Now search GCash. Check for updates. If updates showing, update it. Now go back and open settings. Go to apps or applications. Now search GCash. Go to storage and cache, clear data, and force stop GCache. Now done. This issue may be resolved. Let me show you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.